Thank you for your interest in registering your class for the Career Safety Education program. Here are all the steps that you will need.
At the top of the page, you will see red buttons. Click on Educators. You will be brought to the Educators section. Read through the information. When you are ready to register your class, complete the registration fields at the bottom of the Educators section. There is an opt-in box, which provides consent for you to receive our emails. We do not sell or share your information, and you can opt out at any time. You'll be directed to the teacher registration page, which outlines the requirements to complete the training and how to enroll your students in career safety education. To complete your teacher registration, a teacher application form must be completed. This form can be found under number 1. Click the bold text that says "This form." This is a fillable document. Complete the teacher application form, download when finished, and email to cse@sasksafety.org. You will then be sent links and guides to complete the mandatory courses and industry-focused orientation courses. The email will contain information regarding the course web links, which will need to be whitelisted with your IT department. This will prevent any technical issues from arising as students complete the program. Completing career safety education is approximately 6 to 8 hours. Students can be given content as homework assignments and should produce certificates as proof of completion. Once students are completed all 4 courses in career safety education, each student is emailed a completion certificate, which references each course they took throughout the program. And that's all there is to it. If you're unsure of the next step at any point, you can check back on the email that you received, which contains all the steps for career safety education.